Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Oh, it's so dark. Okay, I have to get closer now. Do you like my Miami look? Okay. Hello, I just got back from Miami, Florida. Yes, I have my Miami nails. We got this hat for pictures, which I love. Okay, let me get back to the video. This is my Walmart beauty unboxing. Yay! Okay, so, I've only had the hat on for like 3 minutes and I have hat hair. Okay. So, if you don't know, Walmart Beauty is a quarterly subscription box that allows you to have sample size beauty and skincare products mailed to you. It's only $5. It's every quarter, and it's kind of catered to you, but on a general perspective, not super personalized. But it's not bad. Samples are good of products they have or new things that they have, and this is not a sponsored video. But let me adjust my camera. Pause. Okay, so I turned off the extra lights because this looks like a little more natural look. So let's dig in. Walmart Beauty. First thing I'm going to grab is this eyeliner, it looks like. Arch Rival. And Lottie, by the brand Lottie, and it's in brown. Just an average eyebrow pencil. That'll work. Oh, glorious. Yes, I am. Oh, a perfume. I think this is the first time we've gotten a perfume. Let's find out. Glorious. Cute little packaging. I do have perfume on right now, so I'm not going to spray it on me, but I will spray it on the package. Light and floral. Pretty. Oh, okay, cool. So I got another one of these. This is for when you need hydration after a workout or after a night out. And this is the strawberry flavor. So if you watch my videos, you'll know I did get 2 boxes one time that were the same, and got sent 2 of these, and one of them broke inside the box and it got everywhere. It was a hot mess. And I still haven't tried the other one. I think I actually gave it away. So I will keep that one to try. Next in the box. Oh, is this a lip gloss? Yes. This is a lip gloss by NYX. Lingerie Gloss. Professional makeup. And it's just clear. You can always use a clear gloss. It's always a staple. So that's cool. NYX. This is a full size. This is not a sample size. Very cool. This is also a full size. This is also not a sample. Okay, Walmart Beauty. Next thing, I have 2 more things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. This is Gold Bond Pure Moisture. Okay, Daily Body and Face Lotion. As you can see, I am wearing my glasses because these packages are so small. Hyaluronic acid and naturally sourced grapeseed oil. Ooh, very good for your skin. Very nice. Okay, Gold Bond, I see you coming through. Next thing in the box is this Cantu Avocado Hydrating Repair Leave-In Conditioner. I was actually needing a leave-in, so this came at the perfect time. Oh, do you like my Miami nails? This is perfect. Mineral oil free. Thank you. Also free from paraffins, phthalates, parabens, and sulfates. Yes. Okay, Cantu, I see you. And the last thing in the box, which this made me the most curious, so I saved it for last. This is a bottle of, what is it? Sukin Organic Hydrating Mist Toner. Original Hydrating Mist Toner. Chamomile and rose. Paraben and alcohol free. Oh, I bet that smells nice and tones nicely. Okay. Now, it does not say to use it as a setting spray, but I do have makeup on and I just did, so it smells good. All skin types. Oh, this is so cute. This might be a full size. No. Well, I mean, it is 1.69 ounces, so it might be a full size. I don't know. But I am really interested in trying this again. The Sukin. Australian Natural. Oh, cool. I think I got mist on my glasses. But anyway, that's that. That is my Walmart beauty box for January, for the fall, maybe? I guess it would be the fall box. I know, but it looks cool. This pencil looks really skinny and small. Am I still recording? Okay, cool. I feel like I haven't done a unboxing in forever. But this pencil is nice and skinny, perfect for the brows. And honestly, I just use a pencil. And like, I define these with the little razor, but I don't do a whole bunch. Pencil is all I need. I don't need the brow powder and the gel and all that stuff. This is all I need. So I'm going to pause for a second, open this, if I can't get it open right this second. And you will see me again in this very same hair and makeup because I have my, I think it's my Ipsy Glam Bag box thing. Glam Bag X. I think that's what came in the mail. And I'm watching curling in the Olympics, Winter Olympics. And I'm trying to open this package. And it's not really working out. So I might have to pause and come back. Ooh, I think I just made a mess. I think I just undid something that I wasn't supposed to. Oh no, that's not it. Okay, yeah. Hold please. Okay, so good thing I opened this because this has a little surprise. On the short side, you have your brush, which I can take my glass off to do this. So you just brush up your little hairs. I know I have one that's right there. It's nice and stiff, cool. The other side has the pencil, and it is very thin. I am so excited. Now I already did do my brows. Oh, this is not a pineapple, but and brown is always the color you want to use. You don't want to use a black, even if your eyebrows are black. You want to use a dark brown because black is just too harsh on your eyes. Okay. I mean, I didn't really do much, but it was cute. It's cute packaging. It's going to go great and travel well. Thank you. Ida, what is it called? Lottie. Our travel. Cool. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is not a sponsored video. Walmart is just someplace I get samples from. And some of the things I do try. This leave-in conditioner I probably will try depending on how it feels and how my hair feels afterwards. The lip gloss, I mean, you can't go wrong with NYX Clear Lip Gloss. Their lip glosses are great. Their lip products are great. And this hydration, I am going to try this pretty soon. This is a lot. I feel like I wouldn't need this much for a 16-ounce bottle, but you know what? Follow directions and use it. And Gold Bond, I mean, this is a good travel size. So when you go on trips and everything, and you're not going to be there for very long, you don't want to take your full size. You can take this, put it in your carry-on, good to go. All right, thank you guys for watching again, and have a great day. Peace.